The Lazy Boy lift chair remote control with 2 buttons. Model number found on the back is TH6-1053-001, also compatible with version TH6-1053-001. They are the same remote control, just from different periods of time. Supplied with 2 clear, easy to use buttons, button 1 to fully recline the recliner, button 2 to close the recliner and also lift the chair into the position so people can vacate at a standing height. Once plugged in, a green light illuminates here. Supplied with the extension cable. However, when replacing the remote control, majority of the time you only need to replace the remote control, so you can disconnect the remote control from here. It has a round 5-pin plug. When connecting the remote control to the extension cable, you locate the female plug in the arm pocket, connect together like so, and close. This is how you connect the remote control to the extension cable. If you are replacing the extension cable, this is supplied with a 90-degree 5-pin plug also.